Okay, Andrew's gonna get us hooked up and I am going to get us ready to roll.
About 2 feet back. Two inches, hold, and one more. Yep.
So we're getting hooked up. We're double checking everything.
Yep, pins, everything. Okay. Let's double check for rattlesnakes before I even started because this is a hot gravel parking lot. But I am really excited to get back to working on Dream Boat.
Yeah.
We want to welcome all our new subscribers to our channels. If you saw us out on the road, thanks very much for subscribing.
Yeah, it really means a lot to us. And we read every comment and we definitely are appreciative of the support and the support of such a cool old project.
Yeah, ask us questions, we'll answer. In the Texas heat, we're going to be running this AC a lot, and before we do, we're going to clean it. And more than just pop the filters out, we're actually going to take the whole shroud down so we can clean it all before we start running it.
So I don't know if you can tell, but on the inside of our walls, there's all of this fine white dust that I think comes out of the Texas wind.
There it is.
Gross.
Could you come in here and help me just lift the wire up? I've got it, the clip, I think.
How gross is that? Keeping it real at Airstream Wheeler. Look at all that dirt and grunge. So we're gonna clean this whole area out.
Here's a good example of why we're doing this. This ring right here is where the air is flowing by the shroud. It's not getting filtered. The dust is not going into the removable and cleanable filters. It's just going in here and accumulating. This is why we're doing this. Back when we were in Jackson Center, we're next to a couple that gave us a can of this. It's great stuff for cleaning the interior skins of the Airstream. So
and we're covered in dust right now, so from being in storage. So let's see how
give it the test.
Oh, that looks nice. Now we're gonna have to do the whole ceiling though.
Yep, but it needs it.
It does.
Now I'm gonna go after the hard surfaces and this funny felted surface with a Lysol disinfecting wipe. And there's the one that's been wiped down with a disinfecting wipe. And this is what it started looking like. Hit the button for me on the power. All right, we've got this back plugged in and running because it's very hot in here, so pardon the wind noise, but gonna get it put back in place.
All nice and clean.
All nice and clean. Excuse the mess, we're washing all of our dishes. There seems to be a fine dust on just about everything. On the way here, this light stopped working. Shauna just reminded me that this light stopped working. So I was gonna dig in here and see if I could figure out what's going on with it.
Well, we're just trying to maintain the trailer, do all the repairs while we get reset up.
I think that's your problem right there. The bulb just rolled out. That's the bulb, it just rolled out when I opened it up, so.
Oh, I thought we had that solved. That would have been too easy.
Well, it's an LED, so let me flip it over. It could be the polarity.
Yay!
All right, there's a good lesson. That's an LED bulb. And if you're putting one in a socket where the bulb could go either way, always try it once and then the other way if it doesn't work the first time.
Because of the polarity.
Polarity is important with an LED. But okay, we're back working there. So that's at least one thing off the list.
Hooray. Go team.
All right.
Andrew's gonna try and start him. Come on, baby. Fuel filter has fuel in it. There he is. He's beautiful.
Shauna got me some air conditioning, so I'm gonna set that up now. It's USB, so I should be able to plug it right into the dash outlet we made. Now we just got to figure out the attachment points. I think so. Look at that air conditioning. Something about the way the window is in this is kind of behind you. Maybe it's good aerodynamics, I'm not sure, but you really don't get much airflow, and these fans really help. All right, first stop, gas station, if that wasn't already obvious. Without a working gas gauge, we gotta start full so we know where we're at.